we're going to talk about the power window switch on a 2003 Mach 1. They wear out over time. Want to give a shout out to my friends over at Brutal. He showed it before, got a great video on it. We're just going to touch on that and try and help everybody out and show them that anybody can do it. Take a look. That'll be the car that we're working on. It's 2003 Mach 1 Azure Blue, and the driver's side power steering window or power window is not working too good. So we're going to see if we can't get that taken care of today. Thanks.
Alright, the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the inner door handle power window switch cup there. As you can see, I've already got the first clip out. There's just two holding that in. There's the push tab up top that you can see, and as I'm working here trying to get the bottom one out. A note of caution, that bottom one you want to pull straight up after you get the first tab undone. And also be extremely careful. These cars are old and they do tend to crack quite easily. Once you get it removed, you can flip it over. There's two Phillips head screws that hold the power window switch module into the cup, and you can see just working on those. When reinstalling, also a note of caution, make sure you're going the right way and that you don't over tighten. Again, these are very brittle and will crack on you rather easily. And there you can see it just pops out, and I use a upholstery installation removal toolkit to get the switch actually off the circuit board. Again, they're 15-20 years old, so it does take a little bit of wiggling depending on how clean you kept your car over the years. And you can see, just work that edge in. You can use a flathead. I chose not to do that just for preserving the plastic integrity. The installation tools are a little bit softer and more pliable. And I found out, you can see me working here, I got in with the opposite end of the tool on the end of the switch, and you'll see it pops pretty quickly once you find that sweet spot. Okay, once you get that popped out, I've got the new one. It just pushes in. There's, just make sure you got it right side up so you know what you're doing. But just a quick push, and you're ready to begin reinstalling the screws to put it back into the cup. Circuit board just pushes into that, and then the two screws will hold that into place. Again, careful on over tightening because it will crack easily, as mentioned before. Okay, once you get those screws put in, being careful not to over tighten them, again you just flip the cup over, back piece goes in first. You can see I've got pressure over the center of that so that it doesn't crack or push through. And then that top tab, I found it, you'll see here, it's a little bit easier if you have a flathead or again installation
And one thing you do want to be careful about, terrible problem with these is they'll crack right here, popping them in and out. Mine's already been cracked, so we didn't do that today, but do want to be careful about that. The tools that we used from Harbor Freight, the little $10 tools, gotta say they worked pretty good, especially popping this one out. A little bit trickier getting that one out, and you can just lift straight up. But overall, for $10, pretty good investment so far. First time I've used them, obviously. And you can hear everything's working great. And we'll see you next time.
Okay, that's our video for this week. Just a quick and easy power window switch replacement. Be sure to like and subscribe down below, and keep watching and following us on Facebook at CNC Pony Traders. Thanks.